how to make money in aviation maintenance with your military experience. So the industry is looking for aircraft mechanics. So the first thing, let's go with how to make a choice. Number one, where you want to live, what type of lifestyle you want to have. If you want to work for airlines, that's a high-paying job with great benefits for you. But if you want to work in general aviation, there's going to be plenty of jobs. They're just not going to pay well. But that's your passion, that's an option. Airlines is not for everybody. They just want to chill and really work on all different types of skills. I don't want to assume that everybody wants the most high-paying job. It's just a certain lifestyle they want to have. Maybe they got retired and it's like, I don't want to lead people. I don't want to be in a corporation. I just want to work all my skills and really be a little more relaxed. Or you can work for an executive company with a strenuous schedule, but you work for executive terminal or a big company like Facebook because they're down there, right? So my first advice to you is figuring out that path you want to take, the lifestyle, and where you want to go, because then that really narrows down your options. The types of sectors in aviation. Manufacturing, if you want some room to try different things, Boeing is a great opportunity. It's a great place for you to continue your learning, and they pay for that. One of the retired executives there is they really pride on helping people learn. They really invest in people, and they actually like to call themselves the learning company, which I freaking love, because here for our company, we're always trying to improve, train, and level up. So I love that concept. I know Lockheed has a plant out there, obviously Fort Worth, Marietta, Georgia. So those are some options if you like that type of lifestyle. Some places you might have to move somewhere if you really don't care about the location. Some people want to find, hey, wherever the opportunities are. What type of job do you want? You want airlines, cargo, manufacturing, contracting? So I will have that discussion with people as well. Airlines, mostly a little more options, medium, small, large. I know a lot of places are looking for like Phoenix, Denver, places like Frontier, Southwest. Allegiant is looking for a lot of people in Las Vegas. So if that's your type of jam, hit up Allegiant. They're starting off at $40+ an hour. And places like Frontier giving $50,000 to sign a contract with them for 3 years. If you get your A&P, they'll start off, it's more than $30 an hour. If you don't have your A&P and you want to get involved, contact me. I'll get you the right people at Frontier so they can pay for your A&P. Cargo like FedEx, UPS, they're hiring like crazy. From what I understand, these guys have bought new Boeing aircraft and they need technicians to maintain them. So they're losing people, but not enough supply to maintain these things. So they're looking for people as far as Alaska, California. UPS is looking for people at their CVG location. Amazon Air is out there and several locations like that for cargo. Great paying sector. Then you got places like Atlas, Omni. I think they're all owned by the same person, and they're looking for people to travel with the aircraft and some of their fixed base locations like Baltimore. So if you want to be around the middle East Coast area and looking to work with a company like that where they transport like a lot of us military guys. Atlas is also in Miami. That's a great opportunity and they pay really well and take care of their vets. Some other places you can think about is executive business airplanes. Not big ass airports, not big ass planes. Talk to Gulfstream. They're looking for people for their Savannah and Phoenix locations. So I can get you in contact with those guys. There's Nike, Walt Disney. They're looking for mechanics too. They got traveling back and forth all over the place. Let's say you don't want to be dealing with corporations and you just want to have a little more freedom, a little more relaxed environment, and general aviation can definitely do that. I've met guys who do not want to deal with all the politics. They just want to chill. They probably already have retirement. They don't want to talk to people that much, and they love the general aviation because you can use all your skills. You can have more closer interaction with your customer, being there for good cause like nonprofits, and people are happy doing that. I'm not going to assume that you're just always looking for the highest pay, but you're also looking for having a little more purpose or meaning to your work, and some people are happy there. Some of these things are going to come with certain conditions, right? There's benefits, of course, but just like in the military, there's going to be shitty supervisors sometimes. There's going to be long hours. There's going to be go-getting moments, just trying to get shit done. From what I understand from friends who start in the airlines, the problem is a lot of times they start in the night shift. That's their schedule for the next few years, because the old heads, the more senior people, get the day shift, get to go home to their families and watch Game of Thrones at night. So there's that option. So it's something to think about and be prepared. But of course, there's no deployments, there's no TDYs, there's no mandatory moves, PCSing all over the place unless you want to. That's the difference between like civilian life and military. You don't have that extra stress and you're not getting bombed or going over war zones. But if that's your type of lifestyle, there is military contracts. Just like everywhere, there's gonna be shitty conditions, you know, but it's one of those like love-hate relationships. I love aviation maintenance, but sometimes you gotta work with shitty people, and that's gonna be everywhere. Exciting jobs like firefighting, working with sheriff's department, working with EMTs, like the hospitals. There's all types of working conditions you can be having, and a lot of different types of opportunities out there. Like if you're like around the Grand Canyon area, the Vegas area, there's tourists, there's those type of jobs, and those are a little more structured in hours. And of course, there's after-hour crew. There's not a lot of demand. Will they pay as much as an airline? No, because a lot of these guys are small companies. So if you like to work for a mom and pop shop, then that's great, and you can fit right in if they have some meaning, some purpose, you know, working for these type of companies. Hopefully this was super helpful. They definitely looking for you. If you find this very helpful and you want to see more videos like this, please share this. At least screenshot this and share it on your social media like Instagram or Facebook. Tag us if you really like this, so that way we can continue to make more videos like this. But again, if you know somebody who is looking for a job or is about to separate, please reach out to me. Z as in zebra or Zulu at code1mx.com. CODE numeral 1 mx.com, and I'll put everything in the notes here. And please don't forget to subscribe and watch the rest of our videos, how to go from stage 1 to 5 on getting your AMP. And if you know anybody that is looking for that, send them our way. We'll help them out, and I'll put them in the description so that way we can continue to have more people. Thank you for everything you do. Peace.